Here's a recap of what happened in our live trading room. We do a big push up. I'm probably going to lock 30 points. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and lock 20. It's Friday. I'm going to go ahead and lock 20. So move the stop up, capture 20. Got to go now. 44 is here. That's the stop now. So Battle Plan 2 paid last night. If you got in it, was able to hold a runner, that's a nice day. You never have to trade the overnight session, however, but sometimes those are when opportunities present themselves. And the goal is to hit the expected range, 77.80. Hard to not take this 30 pointer, but we got a really nice possibility of getting all the way up here. I'm going to force myself. I am not playing perfect chess. I've pulled up, but that's okay. If we can start developing some levels, I'll play perfect chess with that. If you're flat, I don't have anything for you right now. If you're long, make sure you're capturing part of the move. If you're aggressive off the strong level, the opening area, you had to be aggressive. That's for sure. Nothing I would call out other than, hey, bulls control. We're above the bull bear line. We're probably going to hit the expected range. So nothing wrong if you got long at Battle Plan 2. And you want to capture your 30 pointer and call it the day. Keep in mind behind the strong level and kind of behind the opening, barely. And can we get up here? You know, let's say we do get up here and you just miss the whole move. It's no big deal. What if we get a reversal short here? I mean, could just be incredible. So if you happen to not be long here and we make it here, well, we'll have another option at a play. If this thing slams back under and gets under that value area low, things get really interesting. Actually, if we get under the opening in here, I would probably tell you to take this short. Against the opening, against the strong level, after grabbing the high. All right, so if we're looking for a potential short, I'm wanting to see this stay open, us lose here, push down, give an opportunity, and then target the POC, which is at least here, which is also the London low. Beautiful targets. And as we said when we opened, we would not be shocked if we retested it. You got the POC below you. You got the London low below you and the Asia low, and retesting the bull bear line. What do I know? All trades are high risk here. Small, if at all, never making things worse. I am short the opening. My stop is now at break even. I'm going to go ahead and lock 5 points. We made it to POC. Now, if we reclaim the strong level in the opening, I will be looking to go long. All right, value area low. If you're short and you had multiple contracts because you're aggressive on that, I would be peeling anywhere between the bull bear line and here, and keeping a single runner just in case. And of course, we're at POC, which is the most fair price. Not a horrible place to peel either. It's a better place to exit a trade than enter a trade. Well, we got our short we were looking for. That if it pushed underneath, come back in. Looking for a short off the opening. Strong level and VWAP, not a horrible trade. You can journal that even if it was a loss. The only thing you would have to denote in your journal is that bulls controlled. And it was a counter trade for sure. But at a very nice setup. And it paid. Almost a 10-pointer. And if you're still short, hanging on to one contract, hang on. Hang on. So if you're short, try to stay short. See if we can make it to the value area low. I would love to see Battle Plan 2 remake. Would love it. Let's turn off the essentials. Let's just look at the candles. That's what matters. Nice. Congrats to the shorts. Well, we got at least one setup, so that's nice. Battle Plan 2 was last night. We had a short setup today. I didn't really envision that happening right here, but we talked about it. We took it. We bagged it and tagged it. Nice. Okay. If for some reason you survived multiple contracts, I wouldn't have. Make sure you're peeling. Keep a single runner back. Oh, nice. Off the bull bear. I was wanting a little bit more. So perfect place to peel. Keep a single just in case. Or exit everything and walk. Make it up there to the expected range. It's still a big trade and a very big possibility. All right. Are we going to reclaim? We reclaim the opening and strong level. I would not be shocked we make it to the expected range. It is here. It is here. This is the springboard to 77.80. It is here. Seems like it's make or break right here, doesn't it? Seems like big decision point right here. We made money both ways. Come on, we crushed it today. Let's go. I peeled one already. I got two left. I'm following one at 50% of the move, keeping the other one at break even. Oh well, I'm out. I'm glad I peeled. Kept a single runner. Should I put it in the negative position there? Could have put it behind the VWAP. The overnight halfback is close, but that's fine. I'm out. I'm good. Had to be quick on that one. So when it pushed back in, I went long, peeled. I just took one off. Like I did a market order, take one off, moved one at half, and then kept it at break even. Oh, well, I'm out. Feels like scalper's delight. Not going to be shy to go long about 35 again. I won't play the opening again, though. I'm out. Now, if it made it down to value area low and we started laddering again, I'm all over it. I love when the bulls control. It's just such easier trading. No follow through. Gosh, the theme of the week. I'm sick of it. Make trading easier for me. Come on. All right, coming into the critical 35 here. All right, I took 35. Stop is at break even again. See if it goes. Come on. There we go. Get up there. All right. You took 35. You're green. Don't let it go against you. All right. Now fly. Go expected range. Get up there. So to show you 35. Small. Nice trade. Capture commissions. And let it go. Very nice, Casey. I'm going to close my platform, actually. We've traded very well. I've made more trades than I typically make. Little scalper's delight today. That was fun. We don't get that often. So if you're long from 35, hold. I don't know what's going to happen. If it makes it down to value area low and reclaims the bull bear line, that's the next trade I would be looking for. I'm not really interested in the reclaim of the strong level and opening right here. Again, come on, get up there. Very nice. If you're long, try to stay long. Casey's over there smiling. Maybe we'll make it up there. The 77.80 is the goal. Above that is purely bonus. I didn't put 77.80 here, but that's been the target all week because it's the top of the range. If it does, I have no clue if it's going to do it. But if it does, it's 50 pointer. We're good. Nothing to do now but the holding. You're up 15 points, right? Beautiful trading. All right, so let's kind of recap what we did today. Well, Battle Plan 2 could have had you long last night for that move. You could have captured a 30 pointer. I captured 20. We said if price gets underneath there, we would be looking to take the short off the opening. Healing contracts at POC and the bull bear line. Then if we got back above the opening, we'd look to go long. We did get long there. Didn't follow through. And then I called, hey, if it gets to 35, I'm looking to go long. And 35 is where it bounced. So beautiful. If it wasn't recorded, nobody would believe it, right? We did good. We did good. So long, short. So short here. Long. This one didn't follow through. You never know. Long here. And long here. That's what we did today. Very nice. With the ultimate target of going up there to the expected range, or 77.80. If you're long, try to stay long. Thank you, sir. I was hoping our first long there worked out. It made the most sense. Then it pulled back the 35. Come on, pop the top. Pop the top. You can do it. New high. New high. Hold that runner. Hold that runner. Nice, nice, nice. Guess I need to launch my platform again. Everybody should be green today. Another 30 pointer there. I think I'm going to lock in 10. I'm going to lock in 10. Given an opportunity to get up there. Nice Laxmi. Sometimes very interesting where those expected ranges end up in relation to our system. So if you're long, try to stay long. Target 77.80. This is what we do. This is what we do. Hold that Lotto runner. Erland, beautiful session, George. 3 green trades. Congratulations. Nice day. Enjoy your weekend. I'm going to hang on to see if we can make it up there to this next strong level. Plus, it'll make a good wrap-up video, won't it? I enjoy putting those together. So if you were green today, make sure you leave me a comment. I don't know how you're red today, but I'll try to post a wrap-up video later today when I publish the battle plan. Very nice. Very, very nice. I use where I think price will bounce. And on the Lotto runner, we have no clue how far anything is going to go. You know, 2 weeks ago, I had that 400 pointer. I don't know how far price is going to go. Our next stop could be 10,000. You know what I mean? Hey, you're at a 40 pointer. Nice day. For you big boy ES contract traders, my goodness. You made a mortgage payment. This was a beautiful trade. Even you prop people with intraday trailing drawdown, you had none. You had zero. All right, get up there in the next 4 minutes. I got to go run some errands. You still long, Laxmi? You still long, Casey? Anybody else still long? Very nice. Well, you're getting close to up here to think about, you know, depending on what type of account you're in. Nice job, ladies. Nice job. Nice, Alec. Nice, Laxmi. You know, depending on what type of account you're in, it's going to change how you manage your Lotto runner. Block my 30 pointer now. 20. 30. That's a good day. I've had a 50 plus point day. Come on, 3 points to 77.80. Come on. Come on. Come on. 2 more points. Come on, push it. There we go. Come on, give it to me. Don't deny me. 1 more minute to quitting time. Well, yeah, here we go. 7780. We made it. Anything else is bonus, bonus, bonus. So congratulations, Longs. Probably our biggest runner this week was our final trade. Isn't that cool? So there we go, guys. All right. That's going to be it for me. I got to go run a couple errands. Congratulations. Nice trading. Thank you for being a member. Hey, tell other people about our group if they want to learn to trade. So I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. And I will check in with you later.